So how to do this position? You will take two legs, one leg on the floor, this leg goes behind the right leg. So you will take breathe, little push, 1, 2, 3. After we will get come back and slowly go behind our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you feel that you sit comfortable, you can take this leg and push this. So we will get in this pose, but it's not go. We will try to take this leg on the feet, and now we will try to take it back. We will get this position. So we slowly take our breath, keep in the balance, slowly breathe out, and that's a go. We try to take this leg and go behind, open our hip, and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4,